25.
9. Yeah,
I think.
we haven't posted 6 yet.
Yeah.
So we're a little bit behind, which is okay because
taking a vacation from our vacation.
we have friends coming on Sunday night to stay with us for a couple days, and then the kids are coming on Wednesday. Today is Friday. So
Friday.
This morning we are headed to the Battery. Cute little. Hang on. Anyway, there's an elderly gentleman walking his dog with a walker, and we wanted to get out of the way. So anyway, right now we're headed to the Battery. We need to get some walking in because you've been watching how we've been eating. So we have been walking everywhere, but you know, sometimes, are you sick of eating out yet, hun?
A little bit. I
Yeah.
like to cook, so.
I'm getting there too. I mean, we've been having delicious food. And I enjoy not cooking. I mean, I like to cook, but it's nice to get a break.
Well, soon enough we'll be cooking all kinds of things.
Yeah, when the kids come. We'll be eating out still too. But anyway, we're rambling. We're headed to the Battery. When we get there, we'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Okay, see you in a bit. So pretty, that like green covering the bottom of the house. So here we are at the Battery. It's much quieter now. Still, there's people. It's 10 o'clock, so if you came earlier, it'd be even quieter, I think. So even though the sun is totally out and it's hot, it's 10 o'clock, like I said, the breeze from the water, like, feels so nice. So you don't feel overheated. So again, morning is always good in Charleston. So we decided to head into White Coat Garden, get some shade. It's real pretty in here. All the pretty myrtle trees are in bloom. A line of them down here. Have to be really careful with driving. Let me tell you, the pedestrian does not right here. So pretty, look at that pretty pink house. This is the Williams Mansion, which is apparently the largest residence in Charleston. It's a museum, so I believe you can take tours. Everything pretty much seems opened up now, so I think it's open. Well, the graveyards weren't. The front door on this porch is open, but look at the hardwood floor here. I love the unique colors, like the light aqua trim, and then they've got the coral front door. That's so darling. So I just said to Brian, we need to go to the corner where there's the 4 buildings. So this is the post office. Oh gosh, I don't know which this one is. This is the courthouse. And this is the church. 4 Corners of Law, that's what it's called. So. Alright, so we made it back from our little walk this morning. What did we do? Where did we go? Oh yeah, we went to the
It's all a blur.
Battery. I got really hot, so we stopped at Harkin and grabbed a little something and then just relaxed this afternoon. And now we're going to Christophe Artisan chocolate shop. It's a French
Probably have to eat all of the
chocolatier.
chocolates before we leave the place, because they'll probably melt instantaneously.
Yeah. It's 90 degrees, really hot.
I feel like I could swim.
I don't feel like it's that bad. It's hot, but
Well, there is a breeze, so
Yeah.
that's good.
so anyway, we'll see you when we get there. Hopefully, I don't know, sometimes
Hopefully you'll get there.
we'll get there, but I mean, sometimes you don't feel comfortable like
Right.
filming. So
Yes.
French chocolate cafe. Looks like they have ice cream, macarons, sorts of other yummy things too. So Brian got a Stella, which was a coffee with mocha, and I got a drinking chocolate iced. We both got it iced, and we're sitting back here in this really pretty little patio. And look at this cute, adorable mural. How cute is that? French flag. So cute. I've been told we're running short on time.
Yes.
So.
Put on your running shoes.
Yeah, I don't got
We're
those
gonna
on.
Give our reservation to somebody else. No, we're headed to 82 Queen for dinner. And I think there should be a fair amount of seafood on the menu tonight.
Yes, it is a low country
Yeah.
specialty.
Maybe some shrimp and grits,
Yeah, crab cakes.
jambalaya, something like that. It is super hot today, so whatever it is, it's going to be late.
Yes. Talk about the Chocolatier. What did you think about that?
Oh, yeah, we went to this place called the French Chocolate Cafe. That's right. It was good. It was fun.
Yeah.
They had a little courtyard in the back, which was pretty nice.
Yeah.
And we both had some chocolate/coffee-like drinks that were iced. And a macaroon or two. So that was
Yeah,
fun.
they were really good. It was kind of fun, and they had a really cute mural in there. So we'd recommend doing that. It's not like, it wasn't like Angelina in Paris or Loderie in Paris or like that, but it's still, this is a French chef, and they were still very good. And they had beautiful chocolates in there. We didn't get the chocolates, so because we were worried.
Because we thought they'd probably melt in like 3 minutes.
Right.
Or
So
less.
next time we go, we'll have to get their beautiful handmade, like truffles, you know, the ones that look painted. So next time we'll have to, and I didn't get any footage of that because people were standing in front. So anyway, I'm gonna shut this down now so I can walk faster so we don't miss our reservation. Not that
Because we'd all be wasting away if we missed the reservation.
Yes, because we haven't had enough to eat. So anyway, we'll show you around when we get there. So pretty in here. And our ceiling fans above too. They stay nice and cool. So I splurged and I got the sangria. I don't know the last time I've had a drink.
Well, we had the rosé the other night.
I didn't have very much. Maybe we'll see how I do. And Brian got the Manhattan.
Good thing we didn't have to walk very far.
You can carry me.
Yes.
Cheddar chive biscuits. Cute little biscuits. We got a crab cake, which is supposed to be one of the best, I guess, in Charleston. And then tomato pie. I'm not exactly sure. Brian said that looked good, so it sounded good to me. So I got the scallops with risotto, and they look incredible. And Brian got the jambalaya. Looks like that first bite is good.
All right.
All right, that's on 82 Queen.
Nice
Go.
place. Nice patio. Server was fun. Food was pretty good. I still think, and we talked about it, the other places that we've been to, like Lennar, that was the best of all of them.
Yeah.
And then it would probably be Husk and Hoogan's. So this one was close, but not as good as those other ones. But it was really good. I mean, I had jambalaya, you had scallops.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's good. The nicest thing about this is the patio. They have a very beautiful, romantic, like the chairs are shaped like the backs,
Scallop,
like
yeah.
scallops or like butterflies. They have lights. Yeah, we got like 5 seconds and it's gonna come down.
I think we might get rain now.
And where we were sitting was like an outdoor room. There were ceiling fans. We were totally covered.
Yeah.
They even had windows, but
really
it was
nice.
open. So if it's hot outside and you want to sit outside, this is the perfect place to go.
Absolutely.
The food was good, but like Brian said, the other ones I think we like preferred better. Or preferred, not preferred, better, preferred. And it was expensive. I mean, it was maybe even a little bit more expensive, but we didn't get dessert because we were really full. So, but it's nice. It's a nice place. I wouldn't say discount it.
No,
It's just,
it's
you
one
know.
It's a really great restaurant,
Yeah.
but it's just not quite as good. As
Right, right. And depending on what your budget is and how many restaurants you can go to, maybe that's not the first one you want to choose. But fun place though. So we liked it.
Probably go inside.
We're gonna go inside now because it's gonna rain. Brian's obviously getting anxious about the rain. So I think we're probably in for the night. Maybe take Tuck for a walk. But that's it. So good night, guys,
Have a good
and
one.
we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, it's looking a little scary.